Most people fail not because they don't have dreams, but because they give up too early. If you want success and financial freedom, you must hear this. Life will test you. There will be days when nothing works, when the world tells you you can't. But remember this, every successful person you admire, once stood exactly where you are. They were broke, confused, and doubted by everyone. Success doesn't come overnight. It's built, brick by brick, through small daily habits. Read one page more than yesterday. Learn one new skill every week. Save $1 when others spend $2. Consistency beats talent every single time. Money is not evil. Money is freedom. But freedom doesn't come from earning alone, it comes from managing what you earn. Don't just work for money, make money work for you. Invest early. Focus on assets, not liabilities. The rich think long term, the poor think weekend to weekend. If you want motivation, start with discipline. If you want success, commit to growth. And if you want financial freedom, train your mind, before you train your wallet. Because at the end of the day, success is not luck. Motivation gets you started, but mindset keeps you going.